綺麗。
Panasonic.
The DJI Pocket 2 is a compact, stabilized all-in-one camera, designed to be taken anywhere and everywhere. Literally pocket-sized, the Pocket 2 can be used one-handed to capture images and videos in virtually any situation. A bright 20mm equivalent lens lets you get a lot in the picture, making the Pocket 2 perfect for capturing landscapes and indoor and outdoor portraits, as well as vlogging. Compared to the original Osmo Pocket, the Pocket 2 offers better image quality in low light as well. Improved microphones in the Pocket 2 mean that wherever you point it, you'll still pick up clean audio. For video shooting, 4K capture is available at up to 60p, and HD video can be recorded up to an amazing 240p, allowing for extreme slow-motion capture. In video mode, the camera can zoom up to 8 times, and up to 4 times with no loss in quality. For still photography, the Pocket 2 shoots native 16-megapixel files in either JPEG or RAW mode, with an option to increase resolution to 64 megapixels. The camera module is stabilized in 3 axes, making steady video and shake-free images easy, even when you're on the move. Active Track 3.0 uses the source signal from your camera to track the subject. A range of accessories is available, including a do-it-all handle, which provides a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, audio jack, wireless microphone receiver, external speaker, and tripod mount. The Sony A6400 is a mid-range mirrorless camera with a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor. The design is largely unchanged from the A6300, with Sony claiming improved build quality. The A6400 has the same OLED EVF as the A6300, as well as a touch-enabled tilting LCD. A new My Dial feature allows you to repurpose the camera's dials when a custom button is pressed or held. You can configure up to 3 sets of functions. The most impressive new feature of the A6400 is undoubtedly its autofocus system, which offers 425 phase detection points, real-time IAF, and real-time tracking for moving subjects. Like previous models, the A6400 can shoot at up to 11 frames per second, or 8 frames per second in silent shutter mode, both with full autofocus and exposure capability, but not live view. The A6400 can shoot 4K 30p video, with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, and video quality is very good. 3 log profiles are supported, and the A6400 also offers zebra functionality, gamma display assist, and proxy recording. The camera offers an 8-bit version of the hybrid log gamma standard for simple capture of HDR video, allowing the capture and display of a wider range of tones in a natural manner on the latest TVs. For more information on the Sony A6400, visit dpreview.com.